have the treats here.
Okay.
Romeo. Oh. So, did you notice how...
Okay. Here, I'll let you kind of see if he'll do it with you.
You can bring it down.
Then you do the click when he touches?
As soon as he touches.
As soon as he touches?
As soon as he touches. If he's having a hard time figuring out to touch it, then you can
move it.
I like to move it a little bit, or if he's really having a hard time figuring that out, even if he moves his nose towards it.
Then that's a possibility.
Right. His brain is working overtime. Why don't you put it, lay it on the ground? Oh.
He touched it.
He touched it, yeah. Bring it about an inch or two off the ground. See if he touches it. Actually, why don't you see if he touches it over his head? He's like, Dad's making me work for my treats.
Okay.
Target. 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 Target.
Okay, he's got this, so why don't we try...
That was better.
You have really good mechanics, actually, just naturally.
I do?
Yeah, like with the timing and
Oh, really?
coordination and just being able to reinforce
When he...
right when he does it.
Okay.
I haven't seen you do this before. Someone's been teaching you how to jump on furniture, huh? Okay, so now, once you get his focus back to you, you can do a couple targets and then try giving a cue first and see if how he understands that cue. So you'll say target and hold it out and see if he'll go there, and then you can click and then treat to change the order around a little bit.
Romeo.
With a new behavior, it goes click, cue, treat, and then once it's about 9 out of 10 times, you can switch with consistency. You can switch
Target.
to giving the cue first. Did you see how he picked that up so well? He just like went straight forward right when you said it. Watch him very
Target.
closely.
We'll do a low one. Target. Target.
And he's making the choice to listen to you now. Do you notice that?
Target.
And if you get a little bored with this, you can see if he'll hold his nose to it for a little bit of time, and he'll follow it possibly. Kind of like with the hand touch.
I bet you he will, because that's the first thing.
Target.
That might be a little hard for him.
Target.
Which is it.
Okay. Ball.
And you don't need to pick it up every time.
Ball.
Maybe later on we'll start generalizing the position.
Ball.